day, I got stuck in a washing machine. That's basically how it started. I went into a washing machine. When somebody decided to go up to the washing machine, get it onto cotton cycle, and it started burning. I nearly died, but I got out of it alive. So basically, this was a really story that happened to me. It was somebody else. They actually died, and then they was revived somehow by some magic. And then they just decided to go into a toaster to get some toast. He died again, revived, our cycle goes on and on and on, on and on, on and on and on, on and on, with different homework components like an air fryer, an oven, and a fridge. And even, he decided to kill himself. Oh yeah, and also like and subscribe. And if 100 subscribers or likes, well, if it gets to either 100 subscribers or likes, I will release part 2 where I talk about every single thing that happened to this guy. So like and subscribe, and this video will be over in about like maybe 10 seconds more. Yay! Goodbye!